In this video, I want to show you how to make phone caller photo full screen. That is how to add photo to your caller on iPhone. To do this, it's very simple and very easy to do. The first thing you want to do, you want to go to your call center on your iPhone. So you can do that by tapping on this call center icon. So once you tap on this call center icon, I want you to go to your contact. So once you get to your contact, I want you to select the person you want to add the photo to. So let's say we want to add the photo to this person. You just want to tap on the name of that person, then to bring you to this page. Once you are on this page, what I want you to do here, if you check the top right corner, you are going to see edit over there. So I want you to tap on that edit. So once you tap on that edit, I want you to check this photo icon. You can see where it says add photo. So I want you to tap on that add photo. So once you tap on that add photo, it's going to bring you to this page. So what I want you to do on this page, I want you to tap on photos. So once you tap on photos, it will ask you to choose the photo you want to use. So let's just swipe down and look for one random picture that we can use. Okay, let's say we want to use I'm coming. Okay, let's say we want to use this. Let's just use any random one here. Let's say you want to use this picture. So you just want to select the picture you want to use. Then once you select it, you just want to tap on done at the top. So once you tap on done, then it will be changed successfully. As you can see, we have successfully changed this photo. So you just want to tap on continue under here. Once you tap on continue, then it will be saved successfully. So guys, this is how you can actually add photos to any caller contact on your iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.